Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine and safe while staying at your home. This is class 10th, subject mathematics. Name of the book is NCERT, chapter number 3, a pair of linear equations in two variables. Lecture number 4. Children, in previous lecture, you learnt about substitution method, which is a method to solve a pair of linear equations in two variables. In today's topic, I am going to cover the word problems of substitution method. Children, before I switch to the word problems, let us once recall substitution method. In substitution method, first of all, you will have to find the value of one variable in the form of other variable from any of the equations. After that, you will be putting that value in another equation to obtain a linear equation in one variable, and then you have to solve it. So let us start word problems. This is question number 3, first part, exercise 3.3. The difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find them using substitution method. So what is to be done? Let two numbers be x and y, where I have taken x is greater than y. Why I have taken this? Because the difference between two numbers is given, which is 26. So definitely one number will be greater than the other, then and only then you can take the difference. So according to question, the difference between the greater and the smaller number is 26. That is x minus y is equal to 26. Now read next line of the question. One number is 3 times the other. Definitely the bigger number will be 3 times of the other number, right? So x, which I have taken as the greater number, this is thrice of the other number, that is 3 times of the other number. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Can I put the value of x from equation number 2 in equation number 1 so that I can apply substitution method to solve it? Now on substituting the value of x from equation number 2 in equation number 1. Equation number 1 is x minus y is equal to 26. So at place of x I am going to put 3y. 3y minus y is equal to 26. 2y is equal to 26. So y is equal to 13. Now put the value of y in equation number 1. What was equation number 1? X minus y is equal to 26, right? So here I am going to put the value of y. X minus 13 is equal to 26. So x is equal to 39. So thus the required numbers are 39 as well as 13. Fine. Now let us switch to the next question. This is question number 3rd, part number 4th. The taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 km, the charge paid is rupees 105, and for a journey of 15 km, the charge paid is rupees 155. What are the fixed charges and the charge per kilometer? How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 km? Here children, you can come to know that whenever the journey will happen, the traveling will happen, definitely the passenger will have to pay a fixed charge. So let the fixed charge be rupees x and the charge per kilometer be rupees y. Fine. These are the two charges basically which we have to calculate. Now let us switch to the statement. First line I am going to read. For a distance of 10 km, when I am going to cover per kilometer, then I am paying rupees y. So for covering the distance of 10 km, definitely I have to pay rupees 10y. Now according to question, fixed charge will be paid by every passenger. So fixed charge is rupees x plus. For covering the distance of 10 km, I am paying 10y. So x plus 10y is equal to 105. This is the total charge paid by the passenger in case 1. Now let us discuss case number 2. For a journey of 15 kilometer. Now how much distance is covered by the person? 15 kilometer. And per kilometer the charge is rupees y. So for 15 kilometer definitely it will be 15y. And of course the fixed charge will also be paid. So the next equation will be x plus 15 of y is equal to 155. This is the total charge given in the question, 155. Correct? For covering a distance of 15 kilometer. Now again I am going to adopt the substitution method. You know very well. You have to calculate the value of any of the variable present in any of the equations. So find the value of x from equation number 1 and put it in equation number 2. So x is equal to 105 minus 10y. Getting? This value I am going to put in which equation? In equation number 2. Equation number 2 is x plus 15y is equal to 105. So at place of x, I am going to put 105 minus 10y plus 15y will remain as it is equal to 155. Correct? Now, minus 10y plus 15y has become 5y. This 105 has gone on right hand side. 155 minus 105 is equal to 50. So what is the value of y? That is 10. Now I am going to put this value y is equal to 10 in any of the equation, either in equation number 1 or in equation number 2, so that I can calculate the value of another variable, that is x. So I am going to put it in equation number 1. What is equation number 1? X plus 10y is equal to 105. See children, this is x plus 10y is equal to 105. X plus 10 into, in place of y I am putting 10 is equal to 105. So this is x plus 100 is equal to 105. So x is equal to 105 minus 100. That is x is equal to 5. This is what actually? This is a fixed charge which is paid by each and every passenger. Now children, what else you have to do? You have just calculated the fixed charge which is rupees x. Now what we have to do? We have to calculate, we have already calculated y. Y was what? This was the charge per kilometer. So these are both the charges. X is equal to 5 which is fixed charge and y is equal to 10 which was charge per kilometer. What else is to be calculated? How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometer? So switch to this point. Now amount to be paid for traveling the distance of 25 kilometer. Fixed charge definitely will be paid by each and every passenger, plus charge per kilometer is what? Rupees y must be multiplied by distance. Distance is what? 25. Why I am multiplying it? Because total 25 kilometer has been travelled by the passenger. So this I have to calculate, that is x plus 25y. X value I have just calculated. You know that is fixed charge which is rupees 5 plus 25 into, this is charge per kilometer, that is rupees 10. So rupees 5 plus 25 into 10, that is 250. So the total which the person has to pay, that is rupees 255 for covering the distance of 25 kilometer. Understood children? Okay. Now this is next question, next statement sum. This is question number 3rd, 6th part. 5 years hence means 5 years later, the age of Jacob will be 3 times means thrice that of his son's age, right? 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son's age. So what are their present ages? So what is to be done? Let the present age of Jacob's son be x years. Fine. And the present age of Jacob I have considered as y years. I am reaching on the question. Children, suppose if my age is 20 years right now. So what will be my age after 10 years? Of course, it will be 30. So what I have done, I have just added 10 years in my present age. In the same manner I have to do to calculate Jacob as well as his son's age. 5 years later, hence means later, Jacob's age will be y plus 5 and his son's age will be x plus 5. What is said in the question? 5 years later, Jacob's age is thrice of his son's age. If this age is thrice, so can I multiply Jacob's son's age by 3 so that both the ages will be equal and I will be capable to get an equation in 2 variable, which is a linear equation. So this is y plus 5 is equal to 3x plus 15. 3x will remain here. This y has gone on another side, minus y, and 5 has also gone there. This is plus 10 is equal to 0. Now case number 2. 5 years ago, 5 साल पहले की बात कर रहा है. So definitely if suppose at present my age is 20 years. So what was my age 5 years ago? Of course it was 20 minus 5, that was 15 years. The same concept we are going to apply for variables. Jacob age 5 years ago was y minus 5 and his son's age was x minus 5. What is said in the question? 5 years ago Jacob's age was 7 times. This age was 7 times. Y minus 5 was 7 times. So let us make the age of his son as 7 times so that the ages of both the father as well as the son will be equal. So this is y minus 5 is equal to 7 into x, 7x minus 7 5s are 35. So the equation is 7x minus y minus 30 is equal to 0. Now, what is to be done? From I am just going to find the value of y from equation number 1 and then I am going to put that value in equation number 2. What is equation number 1? It was 3x minus y plus 10 is equal to 0. So the value of y I am going to calculate because for me it is very convenient to calculate the value of y, right? As there is no numerical coefficient along with y. So this is 3x plus 10 is equal to y. Now I am going to insert this value in which equation, children? This was equation number 2. That is 7x minus y minus 30 is equal to 0. So see this. I am going to put the value of y in it. This is 3x plus 10. This is 7x minus 3x minus 10 minus 30 is equal to 0. What has it become? 4x minus 40 is equal to 0. 4x is equal to 40. So what is the value of x? That is 10. Now I am going to put this value in this equation. Y is equal to 3x plus 10. Y is actually the age of Jacob, right? So 3 into 10 plus 10 will become 30 plus 10, that is 40. So what was the Jacob's age? Jacob's age was 40 years and the son's age was 10 years. Understood, children? Now you please note down your mathematics homework. Write down. You have to do question number 2, question number 3, second part, third part and fifth part of exercise 3.3. And question number 1, first part and second part of exercise 3.4. In exercise 3.4, basically you will be having some pairs of linear equations given and both the methods are asked to apply. Elimination as well as substitution, but you have to do only substitution method because this concept I have taught you till now, right? Now, let us discuss the homework questions, solutions of chapter number 3, exercise 3.3, lecture number 3. The questions belong to NCERT only. Children, I gave you only 4 parts to do and all the parts were very simple, but I found this part a little bit difficult for you because there is decimal present in it, right? So this is question number 1, fourth part, solved by substitution method. 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3. 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. These are basically 2 equations given, linear equations, right? So we are going to solve them using substitution method. How to make it simplify first of all? What do? You multiply both the equations by 10. If you are multiplying 0.2 by 10, you are removing decimal, right? So you will be getting 2 upon 10 into 10. It will become 2x plus 3y is equal to 13 and it will become 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. The same I have written here, right? Now they have just become very simple equations. Definitely you can solve them. So what is to be done for substitution method? You are going to find the value of x from equation number 3 and then putting that value in equation number 4. So this is 2x is equal to 13 minus 3y. Right, children? So what will be the value of x? That is 13 minus 3y upon 2. Now I am going to put the value of x from equation number 3. These were, I have given the different names to them, 3 as well as 4. Right? Now I am going to put the value of x from equation number 3 which I have just got now in equation number 4. This is equation number 4. 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. This 23 I have brought on this side has become minus 23 is equal to 0. So 4 into, this is the value of x, putting here 13 minus 3y upon y plus 5y minus 23 is equal to 0. I am going to cancel numerator by denominator. This has become 2 into 13 minus 3y. Definitely will be multiplied. We will be getting 13 2s are 26 minus 3 2s are 6. 6y plus 5y minus 23. Now solving both these variables. Minus 6y plus 5y will become minus y. This plus 26 and minus 23 will become plus 3 is equal to 0. So minus y will remain here. I am going to take 3 on right hand side. So y will be 3. Understood? Now I am just going to put the value of y in equation number 3. This was equation number 3. 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. Let us put this value. 2x plus 3 into 3 is equal to 13. So 2x plus 9 is equal to 13. So 2x is equal to 13 minus 9. That would give you 4. So x is equal to 2. So what were the two values which I have got of the variable? That is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Hoping, children, that you may have understood the concept of substitution method and you must be capable to do these questions. Thank you and have a nice day.